What's up, everybody? It's your boy Marcus, the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. And I got nothing, man. I am straight chilling this afternoon. I was thinking about tomorrow, and we're gonna be having a coaching call same time, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. So we'll be talking about some financials. We did a starting your appliance repair business over from the ground up 4-week session, the Master of Business Service Administration, Service Business Administration, whatever we have labeled it, but it was really good, like a refresher. Like, what would you do from the ground up, building a foundation, getting your software, building your team, setting up your QuickBooks or your accounting system. What do you need? What are you tracking as far as KPIs? And so these next couple of weeks we'll be kind of digging deep into it. So it'll be like the 200, 300 level. So last week we dived into a couple things, but this week we're going to be diving into the financial aspect. I know it could be the boring part of it, but realistically, if you want to grow your business, if you want to, if you just want to be in business, you got to have a better hand, a grip on the financial part of everything. And I feel like, before we go into budget time, it'll be good to have a bookkeeper along to kind of walk through some things too. But man, all in all, if y'all got questions, you want to join the group, you want to join the coaching sessions, you want to get the platform that I use daily in order to grow our business, to get reviews, to market, to contact our customers, to stay on top of situations, go ahead, get Synergy. It's only $199 per month. You get all of the coaching calls, and for the next limited time only, I want to put in spoilers, you'll get the full Appliance Boss Business Accelerator course that isn't available right now, so you can't really actually buy it unless you have access to the Synergy Business Solution and the coaching calls. Okay, so we go live every Wednesday. I won't say every Wednesday. We go live a lot of the Wednesdays, but if I'm traveling or something like that, I try to give everybody a heads up. But for the majority of the months, we go live. We're on there an hour to 2 hours sometimes, and we record them too. So it's over 65, 66 calls, something like that, that's been recorded across a barrage of topics. A lot of things that we touched on, and we've seen so much success from our guys in the community, which is what my main goal was, is go out and help people, help you guys with the business the best way that I know how, and the only way I know how is the proven way that I've done before. So that's why everybody has all the access to all the tech training. So how do we hire technicians? How do we train them to get access to all of that? Our zip sheets on how we take that next level to interface with our customers with customer-facing documents. They got access to that. Our CSR training module, the rebuttals on the phone. They got access to that. So everything you need to go from repairing stuff yourself to running a full-fledged business. So I'm not teaching you how to fix appliances. You see where I'm at? Keyboard. I'm working the keyboard right now. So if you're looking to get out of the truck and expand and grow your business, then this is the right spot for you. So again, impromptu video. Talk to y'all later. Peace.